How to convert AI text to human text. So if you're using ChatGPT for essays, reports, whatever it might be, you usually go ahead and prompt ChatGPT asking it to create whatever piece of text it is. Then you'll kind of go over potentially to an AI detector, you'll copy and paste the text in, then you'll see it has like a high percentage or even 100% of AI detection, and that's not what you want. So for example, if you want to check that, you can go over to a website like Quillbot. There are loads of bots like this where it will show you the percentage of AI. As you can see there, this one's 100%. So it's actually very simple. All you're going to need to do is with the text to say, make it human-like. It's actually that simple. And simply what will happen in that situation is you can go ahead and copy and paste that text back into Quillbot or something similar to this. There are plenty of different versions of what this does here, and it will give you the percentage. Then most of the time it will be 0%. I did try this before, and then I got 59% on one that's similar to this. So if that situation happens where you go over and it does have a high percentage of AI, what you can do is use another LLM, which is another thing like ChatGPT, such as Claude. I believe Claude is probably the best one for this, so I recommend if ChatGPT is keep on giving you a high percentage of AI, go ahead and use another version. You've got Gemini, you've got Claude, you've got loads of other different ones you can use, and just say make it human-like, and then it will give you something that's 0%. So leave a like on the video if it helps, subscribe for more helpful videos.